Meaning of gawkily.
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 Gawkily. Gawkily is an adverb used to describe an action or movement that is awkward, clumsy, or ungainly. When someone moves in a gawkily manner, they lack grace and fluidity, often resulting in a visually unappealing or comical display. This can be caused by a lack of coordination, balance, or experience, and may occur when someone is attempting a new skill or activity for the first time. Overall, gawkily is a negative descriptor that highlights someone's inability to perform a task smoothly or elegantly.